Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today, I've got another lab-free course solution for you. I've already added the link in the description, so you don't need to waste time searching anywhere. Just click the link, go to the page, and follow the exact steps I'll be showing you in this video. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started with today's lab. Also, in some questions I might have ticked the wrong answer. In that case, you'll see a red cross. But don't worry. Instead of following that, you need to write the correct answer in the comments box. Alright then, let's directly jump into the quiz solutions. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel. So first of all, we have to open the incognito window, and yes, all the labs that we have to do have to be done in incognito mode only. Then we have to sign in, and only after that we have to start the lab. So guys, today we're going to check out the digital transformation with Google Cloud Batch Solutions. Now it's not necessary to complete every single part of the lab. If you want, you can simply skip directly to the quizzes and complete them. Also, keep in mind, the quiz questions can be shuffled. That means, what appears as question 1 for me might show up as question 5 for you. So, just carefully match the questions and select the right answers accordingly. Alright then, let's start with the first question. The answer for question 1 is this one. Okay? Match it with yours and mark it correctly. Now guys, remember, for you this might be the fifth question, second question, or even the third question. The answer for question 2 is this one. The answer for question 3 is this one. The answer for question 4 is this one. The answer for question 5 is this one. The answer for question 6 is this one. The answer for question 7 is this one. The answer for question 8 is this one. The answer for question 9 is this one. Once you've marked all the answers, simply click on Submit and you will get a tick for this quiz. After that, scroll down again and move on to quiz number 2. Now scroll down and go to quiz number 2. I've already clicked on quiz 2 here. The answer for question 1 is by putting resources in different zones. The answer for question 2 is flexibility of infrastructure. The answer for question 3 is hybrid cloud. The answer for question 4 is bandwidth. The answer for question 5 is they will only pay for what they use. That's it. There are no more answers in this quiz. Just select these options, click on Submit, and you'll get your tick mark here as well. Now scroll down again and move on to the next quiz. Now let's move on. This is going to be the last quiz of this batch. So let's complete this one as well. Here is question 1. The answer is just match it according to your own order. For question 2, here's the correct answer. PaaS, Platform as a Service. For question 3, the answer is this one right here. For question 4, the answer is Software as a Service, SaaS. That's it. Once you select them, click on Submit. As soon as you submit, you'll see the tick mark appear here. And at the bottom, the course will also automatically get marked as complete. Finally, if you go back and click on the course, you'll see that this batch has also been completed successfully. Congratulations! You've successfully completed another free batch. So that's it for today's video. See you all in the next video. Until then, take care and keep learning.